Hi, this is Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry lemonade margaritas. I love this recipe because it's easy and fast and can be made for one or for a party in just under 5 minutes. I like to add some fruit to the pitcher to make it seem a little bit more like a sangria type recipe. Because we're using lemonade, I'm going to start with some lemons, and we'll slice the lemons. Probably 1 or 2 lemons for the pitcher, plus then you'll need a few extra for garnishing in the glass. So I'm going to add these to my pitcher. Slice a couple more for garnish. We'll set this aside. And now we're gonna add our lemonade to the pitcher. I'm using a flavored lemonade that I got at the grocery store. And we're gonna add about 6 cups of this to the pitcher. That's the lemonade part. And now we're gonna get to the fun part, the alcohol part. So for margaritas, usually you have triple sec, which is orange liqueur, and tequila. I'm using a silver tequila today. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my triple sec. I'm gonna measure out about 1 cup of it. And then it's time for the fun stuff, the tequila. We're gonna measure out 2 cups of that, or more, who knows. It's a lot of tequila. Right, now we're gonna add the tequila into the lemonade. And then to top it off, we'll add some raspberries for color, just like that. And that is our pitcher of raspberry lemonade margaritas. So if you're having a party and you wanna keep your margarita cold without watering it down, you can freeze some of the lemonade into ice cube trays. So I did that ahead of time, just like that. We'll save a couple for the glasses. Because this is kind of a sweet margarita, I'm gonna rim them with sugar. So the way I do that is I have corn syrup here in one plate. You can use honey, anything sticky that will make the sugar adhere to the rim of the glass. Again, you can do salt if you prefer salt on your margaritas, but because this is a sweet margarita, I'm using sugar. So we have 1 glass. Let's do the next one. Okay, so we have our glasses rimmed, and now it's time to pour our cocktails. I'm gonna add some ice in the form of the frozen lemonade cubes. I'm gonna add lemon to each glass. Again, you could have your guests do this themselves. It's kind of fun to have a bar at parties. Some raspberries for garnish, and then we'll pour our cocktails. You can smell the tequila and the lemonade. And there you have it, raspberry lemonade margaritas, perfect for a party. For this recipe and more, go to my blog at crazyforcrust.com.